Hi all, welcome back. Today's video is sad to say but the last vlog of this vacation. It's a day with my parents. I'm back in Riyadh already. My next video is on shopping and flying back. Now in this video I'm showing out one of the most requested ones, how to season a clay pot. So keep watching. Now we have a sister coming over to clean the house and its exterior twice a week. As she was off today, I helped my mom for cleaning. All the dried leaves from the trees were scattered all over. My mom watering the plants. Now those red seeds I had already shown earlier. That's the tree of it. I don't know if you can see it. Chilies plucked and kept aside. Now a little helper just woke up and straight away started his work. Breakfast was getting ready. That's neer dosa or appam, that's what we call. Arman loves it as such without any curry. On to the second one. That's a sweet my brother had bought to take back to Bangalore. I stole one from it. Chutney ready for the appam. My mom is dressed up as she had to go out to meet someone along with my mom's sisters and brother. So I had to take control over the kitchen, had to prepare the lunch all on my own. Taking one raw papaya for the curry. Completely organic. I had to prepare the lunch for all, including us. There were 10 members. So I was completely in a hurry. That's why I couldn't take a video of the dishes. Sorry for that. Now let me show you how to season a clay pot. This is a very traditional oven used very rarely for cooking. Taking off all the leftover ashes from it. My mom's elder sister was doing it for me. That's a newly bought clay pot. Shall show you where I bought it from in my next video. Now that's the rice hull or the husk, the skin on the grain of the rice. We had only this much in hand, but if you have more, you can fill up the pot with it. 2 newly bought clay pots, one mine and the other one is mom's. That's my mom's elder sister. She's more like a mother to all of us, even for my mom. Keep stirring the husk till it's dark in color. Once it's dark in color, take fire from below and put in it. Now stir with a stick so that you don't burn your spatula. The fire inside the pot will automatically put off. Now it's done. Take it off. You can use the black stuff as a substance to clean your teeth. That was the traditional way. My parents still use it. It's a substitute to toothpaste. After the pot has cooled down, clean it and you can straight away cook in it. Another one doing the same procedure. Time for lunch. That's my mom's younger sister. That's gooseberry. It's called star gooseberry because of the size of it. It's very small in size. That's put in a mixture of salt, vinegar along with some chilies. Late evening that day, my brother was leaving to Bangalore. He was traveling by bus, so we all went to bus stand to drop him. and there comes his bus. Father was getting very emotional, and me too, because I would be seeing him only next vacation, hopefully. So that's done for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Really sorry for no replies for your comments. I'm just getting back on track. See you again. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.